Today I want to talk about erosion and ways to prevent that erosion. We're in a long-term no-till study here, and we're right after a rain event. So we had almost 5 inches of rain in about a 3.5 day period. Three of it came very quick and very strong. And as we look at this no-till block and we look up that slope, realize there's hardly anything that's moving as far as the soil. This thing's still intact. And one of the things you realize with no-till, the ground tends to get firmer. And so my ground's getting harder, maybe even getting more bumpy. But the reality is it's more porous. It's kind of like Swiss cheese, especially out here with the amount of night crawlers. So this is just loaded with night crawlers. And right after the rain event, the water come down this hill and did blow the residue all around. And here within 48 hours, the night crawlers have come back out here and they're restructuring their mittens. We got these mounds that are sitting here all over on top of nightcrawler holes, which give this no-till a tremendous amount of infiltration. And because the ground is firmer, it keeps it intact, so we aren't fighting the gully and real erosion out here. I've seen in many cases where a good no-till program literally eliminates the need for waterways, terraces, and some of the stuff that we had to use when we're using such massive amounts of tillage. Now, that doesn't mean every field can be fixed with no-till, but it is something where we see it, and we see it a lot. If you still have slope and you're still fighting erosion in the no-till, yeah, you're going to have to bring in those waterways. You're going to have to think about maybe terraces, grassback terraces, or cover crops, or a combination of the above. It's pretty amazing how many of the fields here in Illinois we can almost fix the erosion issue by just moving them into a longer term no-till program. And again, get the infiltration rate. Even though the ground feels a little firmer, get the infiltration rate that you didn't have when you were doing tillage, because these night crawlers are going 3, 4, 5 foot deep. So that's channels for the water and oxygen to move up and down within the soil. So a simple fix to an erosion issue for a lot of fields.